Every toy starts in a busy, modern factory. The first step is sourcing the raw materials. These pellets will become all kinds of toys. They are loaded into high-tech machines for molding. Each batch is carefully colored for consistency. Quality control begins at every step. Machines heat and shape the plastic into toy parts. The molds determine the final toy shapes. Pressure ensures exact replication of the design. Even tiny features are captured. Cooling solidifies the plastic quickly. Each piece is inspected immediately. Automatic inspection prevents flawed pieces from moving forward.
Some toys require multiple parts to be combined.
Robots help maintain speed and accuracy.
From limbs to accessories, each part fits perfectly.
High-precision painting adds vibrant colors. Logos, eyes, and designs are carefully applied.
Paint and adhesives are dried instantly under controlled heat.
Every toy must be safe and durable.
Wheels and moving parts are checked for smooth performance. Soft toys are examined for perfect stitching. Automated systems handle large volumes efficiently.
Organization is crucial before packaging. Sì.
Wrapping keeps toys clean and secure. Packaging machines label and seal the boxes. Tracking codes ensure inventory control.
Efficient stacking maximizes warehouse space.
Pallets are stored before distribution. Trucks transport toys to retail stores worldwide. Distribution is coordinated to reach stores quickly.
Retailers display the toys for eager customers.
The journey from plastic pellets to a toy is complete.
Each toy brings joy to its new owner.
Multiple production lines work simultaneously to meet high demand. Organization ensures no parts are lost. Precision conveyors maintain production speed.
Advanced technology allows for intricate designs.
Every detail is painted with care. Eyes, logos, and small features are perfectly aligned. Defective molds are immediately replaced.
Defecto replaced.
Computer-controlled cutting ensures perfect shapes.
Colors are formulated to match brand standards.
Stuffing machines ensure even and safe filling.
Safety checks catch weak seams instantly.
Board game sets require multiple components to be accurate.
Correct quantity is critical for packaging.
Every set includes guides for customers.
Sealed packaging keeps parts safe.
Finished products move efficiently toward shipping.
Labels indicate destination and contents. Digital tracking maintains accuracy.
Organization prevents delays.
Operations run almost around the clock.
Maintenance ensures smooth operation tomorrow.
Robots are also toys in this factory.
Technology allows highly intricate toy models.
High-speed painting ensures color consistency. Window boxes showcase the toy while keeping it safe. Thousands of toys are produced every day. Every block must fit perfectly. Puzzles are counted carefully before packaging. Automation increases production efficiency.
Small parts are assembled with precision.
Packaging machines handle multiple designs simultaneously.
Even miniature toys are carefully assembled.
Every detail enhances realism and quality.
Quality control ensures safety and perfection.
Drying machines finish each toy quickly.
Functionality is tested before packaging.
Mechanical parts must move freely.
Multiple teams work simultaneously to meet deadlines.
Battery-operated toys are tested before packaging.
Finished products are ready for shipment.
Automation ensures speed and consistency.
Pallets are prepared for transport. Distribution to retailers begins. Toys are shipped nationwide and internationally. Toys reach eager customers worldwide. The joy of play is finally experienced.
Learning and creativity begin as soon as the box opens.
Production never stops in modern factories. Maintenance ensures smooth daily operations.
Advanced technology aids human workers.
Tiny features make every toy unique.
Speed and precision define mass production.
Organization is key to efficient workflow.
From raw plastic to finished toy, every step is carefully monitored. Presentation is important for retail appeal.
Multiple processes run in parallel for high output.
Every toy is tested to meet safety standards.
Even the smallest components are precise.
Finished toys are fully protected. Automation handles heavy lifting efficiently.
Ready for shipment worldwide.
The factory works tirelessly every day. Maintenance is crucial for continuous production.
Every toy is designed to delight and inspire.
From raw plastic to finished product, the journey is complete.